Hi, my name is Katie.
And I'm Johnny.
And here's the Catskill News.
My name is Will.
I'm Christian.
I'm Austin Jim.
My name is Amari.
My name is Giselle Caswell.
My name is Adrienne Small.
I'm Anna. My name is Janiyah.
My name is Brooke Schumacher.
My name is CJ Holtz.
My name is Ariana Smith.
My New Year's resolution is to get better grades.
My New Year's resolution is to get over my fear of riding different horses in my horseback riding lesson.
Well, my New Year's resolution is to be better at interviews.
My New Year's resolution is just to be happy.
My New Year's resolution is to be more healthy.
My New Year's resolution is to get good grades.
My New Year's resolution is to get good grades.
My New Year's resolution is to really get on top of my schoolwork and stuff, and just maintain my good grades.
My New Year's resolution is to have a more positive attitude.
My New Year's resolution is to get better at basketball.
Welcome back, Catskill. We hope everyone had a great 2-week holiday break and got the chance to relax, recharge, and enjoy time with family and friends.
And now that we're back, it's time to hit the ground running. We're heading into an important stretch. There are just 2 weeks left in the second quarter.
That means Regents exams are coming up for some students.
And final exams are right around the corner for all of our half-year classes.
It's definitely a busy time, but it's also a great chance to lock in, stay organized, and finish the quarter strong.
You've got this, Catskill. Let's start the year focused and stay ready and determined.
The Catskills Teacher Association held the annual Run for a Cause 5K run event, and it was another success, thanks to our teachers that run this event to support our community.
Merry Christmas! Hi, I'm Nicole McElleen, and this is Stacy Hallam, and we are here to let you know about this year's CTA's Run for a Cause. This is the 12th year we have done this, and the second year that we have done the Kids Elf Run. 1, 2, 3, let's run! And we are super excited because we are set to donate thousands and thousands of dollars to Matthew 25 Food Pantry, God's Storehouse, and the Catskill Food Pantry. And we could not do it without all of our sponsors and our raffle sponsors, because that is, the community just comes together so amazingly for this event. The Catskill Teachers Association is very proud to be able to give back to the community in such an amazing way.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Cubic Cat Candy Grams, presented by the Catskill High School National Honor Society, will be available February 9th through the 12th. This is a fun Valentine's event that lets you send a special message and a sweet treat to any one of your favorite cats.
Write a personal note, choose your candy, and the National Honor Society will hand deliver your candygram right to that person's classroom. Candygrams will be delivered on Friday, February 13th, and the snow date will be February 23rd.
Here's our weekly principal discussion.
Hi, I'm John McKenna. I'm here with
James Tadana, the high school principal.
So how was your break? We had a nice long 2-week break.
It was really nice. Got to spend some time with family, really a lot of downtime, watched a lot of movies, and did work a couple days, but it was really laid back. And I got to go skiing one day, so that was nice, but it was a nice break, and spent a lot of time with my family, my wife, my kids, so it was good.
It's amazing. So in the new year, what do you see for this school at the start of this new year in 2026?
Well, I want to finish strong. I mean, I want to get everyone through their year, whether it's senior year or freshman year. I mean, it's important that kids do well and that they reach their potential. So I really am going to be pushing for kids to be at school, attendance, and doing their best and taking advantage of after school help so that, can finish strong. I always think it's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Almost definitely.
Yeah.
And then my last question is, do you have a New Year's resolution? And if so, what is it?
My wife and I's New Year's resolution is to ski more this year because we haven't been skiing the last few years. So trying to get up to the mountain. We ski at Bel Air. It's something the four of us always do. My two kids who are in high school and myself, my wife, like to do. So trying to ski a little bit more this year. The snow hasn't been good, but this has been a great snow season. So
yeah, definitely.
I'm looking forward to getting up on the mountain and skiing on the weekends.
Nice. Is that the only mountain you go to?
Typically, yeah. We ski at Bel Air. It's 40 minutes from home. It's easy.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
we skied there our whole lives.
Well, thank you, Mr. John. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Nice seeing you, John.
Good seeing you too.
Here's our Catskill Sports Report with Caden.
I'm Caden, and who am I here with?
Jeremiah.
Chance Harris. What grade are you in and what sport do you play? I'm in 10th grade. I play basketball.
9th grade, and I play varsity basketball.
What's your guys' record so far?
4-2.
We're 4-2 right now. Are you happy with that? I mean, we got a winning record, but I wish we could have won more and not lost.
Yeah.
What's your goal for the rest of the season?
To win sectionals and maybe win states.
I'm trying to win states. I'm trying to win. I'm not trying to lose. How do you plan on doing that?
Just work hard in practice and play as a team.
Just by not losing and just playing as a team. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you.
The annual Martin Luther King Jr. March for Peace and Justice will take place on Tuesday, February 24th, beginning at 5 p.m. at the Second Baptist Church on Main Street.
This is an important community event that honors Dr. King's legacy and brings people together. March dedicated to unity, peace, and justice. Students are strongly encouraged to participate and represent Catskill with pride.
Organizers are also looking for a student to read a portion of Dr. King's I Have a Dream speech, as well as the Fallen Heroes reading during the ceremony. Any student interested in taking part should see the coordinator for more information.
Once again, the MLK March for Peace and Justice will be held Tuesday, February 24th at 5 p.m. We hope to see many of you there.
Who are you here with today?
My name is Rich DeRuvo.
What's a quote you go by and what does it mean to you?
Quote that I go by is from a song, Back to the Earth by Rusted Root. And the quote is, back to the earth I screamed and nobody listened. Back to the earth I lived and everyone followed. What that means to me is that you have to lead by example, right? You can have all the passion in the world about a subject and try to get people to either follow along or understand what you're talking about. But if you're not living it, it falls short.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
A heartfelt thank you to this entire Catskill community for helping make this year's Santa's Helpers effort another tremendous success. This long-standing Catskill tradition continues to shine because of the collective generosity, kindness, and hard work of so many.
Whether you help organize, donated, referred families, collected contributions, deliver hot cocoa, or help provide gifts to households in need, every role made a difference. Thanks to community-wide effort, we are able to brighten holidays for more than 60 families in our district.
Hi, my name is Louise. I'm one of the co-presidents of student government, and we're here packing all the boxes for Santa's Helpers today. I think it's a really important thing to do this because it's a great way to give back to our community around the holidays. It's something we've done annually for many years, and I think the community really loves and appreciates it.
Hi, I'm Maya Story. I'm the Vice President, and we want to thank Ms. Holdridge for putting all the time in the Catskill community, all the students that have volunteered for all the work. We want to thank the Catskill community for donating and helping with this fundraiser and to make it possible.
Hey Camden, what's happening in NASCAR?
I'm Camden Shutter, and this is This Month in NASCAR. Championship weekend at Phoenix Raceway delivered big moments all across the three NASCAR series. In the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series, Corey Heim capped off a dominant season, winning the Craftsman 150 and the championship with 12 wins. Over in the Xfinity Series, Jesse Love took the Xfinity 200 and edged out his friend Connor Zilich in a dramatic championship-deciding race. In the NASCAR Cup Series, Kyle Larson claimed the NASCAR Cup Series championship for his second time, while Ryan Blaney powered through to win. I'm Camden Shutter. Thank you for watching This Month in NASCAR, and we'll see you next at the Five Flag Speedway for the 58th Annual Snowball Derby, December 5th through 8th this year, 2025. Peace out!
What about some student pop culture with Preston?
I'm Preston Cruz, and this is Student Pop Culture. What's your name and grade?
Jeremiah, 9th grade.
Grant Cooper, 10th.
Javaris Green, and I'm in 10th grade.
Gabriel Gonzalez, and I'm in 9th grade.
What did you do over winter break?
Spent time with my family and played basketball.
I spent time with my family.
Played the game.
I spent time with my family and played basketball.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Attention students, there are several free upcoming training opportunities in energy, technology, light manufacturing, and other EOC workforce programs that may be perfect for graduating seniors interested in entering the workforce right after high school.
These programs are offered through the Capital District Educational Opportunity Center, a division of Hudson Valley Community College, and provides hands-on training that can lead directly to employment.
If this sounds like something you'd like to explore, reach out to Mr. Lando or stop by Goddings for more information. Please spread the word, for these opportunities are completely free and could be a great jumpstart to your career.
Here's Grant with our Catskill weather.
Hi, I'm Greg Cooper, and this is weekend weather. Friday, there's going to be a high of 47 and a low of 35. Saturday, there's going to be a high of 41 and a low of 34. Sunday, there's going to be a high of 41 and a low of 27. Did you know that it takes roughly about 540 peanuts to make 1 jar of peanut butter? This is your weekend weather. Go Cats!
Here's Chase with the joke of the week.
Taking the joke of the week. Hello, what's your name?
Jaimel.
Lane the crowd.
Skylo. Why should you stand on your left foot during the New Year's Eve countdown?
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know what.
So you start on New Year's on the right foot.
That's a good one. I like that one.
Okay.
That's really funny.
That's it for this week. Cats Can and Cats Will.